So, let me ask you guys a quick question. When you go to the woods, do you carry a knife on your belt? Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm going to be doing a review of a belt I've been wearing. I've been wearing it about a week and a half. And I have to say, I'm got a crooked camera. But I've been really happy with the belt. I've been really happy. Been wearing it about, so today is Wednesday. In 2 days it'll be Friday. So I've been wearing it almost 2 weeks. It's from Relentless Tactical, and the link will be down in the description. It's an EDC belt because I always have something on my belt. I always carry belt pouch because it has my car keys in it. You probably see it all the time in my videos. I've got a SAK in here as well, just because you might need it. And then I always carry prescription medications. I started doing the belt pouch, a Hidden Woodsman belt pouch, by the way. Started doing the belt pouch because I had a job, and he gave us these really crappy, really thin fabric, gray slacks. And what would happen is the keys would poke holes in the pocket, in the pants pocket. So I switched to a belt pouch so I wouldn't have to worry about holes getting in the pockets. So, and to carry that, you gotta have a belt. Now, I've worn a belt pretty much my entire life. Well, not my entire life, probably a good 30, 35 years. Probably since I was a teen, I've always worn a belt. Problem is, I've ended up getting these cheap, I got this at Fred Meyer. It's a Kroger brand. This is a Dickies brand, no, Dockers brand belt. And I actually shot a little footage at home, giving a closer look. So let's just cut to the home footage and I'll show you that. Okay, so I wanted to show this at home just because I can show a little bit more detail. Now this is a belt I currently wear. It is a Dockers belt. It's one of those ones where it's reversible. Not that I've ever used it, because it's lighter on the back side than the front side. So I've always gone with the darker side. So this is a new belt, and man, look at the difference in you got a lot heavier duty hardware, and then you notice the thickness as well. All leather, 100% leather. And this is not even fully leather. It's according to the back, it's a synthetic leather made in China. So you can tell immediately the thickness. I mean, thickness means a little bit more weight, but it's also going to be more heavy duty. And I can show you, if I flip them around. I haven't had this belt, this Dockers belt, very long. You can see what it's already starting to do from where I connect it to keep my pants up. It's already starting to peel. The inside seems okay, but the backside is already starting to get that crease in there. And I've actually, the last belt I had was the exact same belt as this, because when I went to the store to get a belt, there were slim pickings, so it actually broke right here, and I ended up having to grab some fortunately I had some paracord in the back of my car, so I just put a knot through and literally tied it up to hold my pants up. So I don't think I'm gonna have to worry about that with the thickness of this. This is good thick leather. I'm really impressed by the quality, and as I can show you, it looks like there's screws back here, so I think you could undo these and actually attach your own belt buckle. I'm not going to, but it looks like you could do that, which is really nice because some people have their own custom really cool belt buckles. I'm just going to run with this one as is, and I actually haven't worn this yet. I wanted to show the close-ups because when I do actually go out and shoot the initial video, show me wearing it. And I'm going to be wearing this for a week too, to see how it is, how comfortable it is. Should be nice and comfortable. Should be a good belt. I'm actually looking forward to this. Alright, so I've actually got these I've got these on the pants now, and these are the 511 Pro Light tack pants you see me wearing in basically in every video I wear, even those brown ones I have. But this is my work configuration. The belt pouch I always run. I usually carry my car keys in here. I just got an SAK in here right now, EDC item. I don't use it a lot, but I always have it in my pocket. I carry this is a Maglite holder, but what I use it for is I use it for my radio. I hang my radio on here because I work security, if you didn't know. And then this is a metal keychain, key holder. I got it at a police gear store. So it's solid steel that's just bent around, and it fits perfectly on the belt. So I hang sight keys because I work security. I have to carry master keys, and I can't be losing the master keys because you could lose your job, because they basically have to rekey the entire building and replace every key that everyone has. So it can be quite expensive, and you'll be out of a job. Well, I'll be out of a job. So I was hanging my keys here, and in this little ring I just hang my access card on. So, and then the belt, which fit perfectly through the 511 pants. As you can see, it's like I can't just hook the keys on the belt loop because they're an inch wide, which I like. So I love these pants. But anyway, of course, because they're work pants, and hopefully the bosses won't see this, but I always carry I always keep the pocket knife tucked away inside the little cell phone pocket, because my cell phone won't fit in there because I have a smartphone, but it's a perfect place to hide my pocket knife. But anyway, I digress. Yeah, so far, pretty happy with the belt. I'm going to be wearing it today, and I'm going to hold off all this footage for a week to get so I can give you an impression, tell you how I like it and whatnot. Okay, I forgot I was going to mention this. This is a 511, same brand as the pants. This is their nylon belt. And my problem with the nylon belts is only one. One, it's plastic. Two, it's not leather. But three, the thing I found to be kind of a pain is I would put the belt on, pull it tight to my liking, but as soon as I would let up to run it through like this, when I let go to let it up, it would loosen. So I was always fighting with it. I'd have to undo it, pull it tight. I'd have to actually grip it, try to grab it so it wouldn't slide, and then feed it through. And it was just kind of a pain. It did work, and it did hold my pants well when I can actually get it to slide on. The black on black's probably not showing up, but not a bad belt. But like I said, it's plastic. I'm actually going to be giving this to a buddy of mine because he was complaining about his belt not holding his pants up very well. So as soon as I see him again, I'm going to give it to him. I haven't seen him since the last hammock hang, but I wanted to touch on the nylon belt real quick. Not bad. It's just, the buckle can be, for me it was a pain. For guys who aren't, carrying around a big, stomach, they probably don't have any issue, but I had issues, so not bad. It just wasn't working for me. Okay, so this belt is on their website. It's $54.99, and you're probably thinking, well, dude, that's a little expensive. Maybe, but the thing about it is it's got a lifetime warranty, and it's 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if you get it and somehow you don't like it, or maybe it's the wrong sizing, which I want to talk about sizing real quick. When I emailed them, I actually contacted them and I said, hey, would you like a video? And they said, yeah, sure, we'll send you a belt for a video. So glad I did. Great belt, car. It's actually a truck, but I had recently replaced my older belt because it's broke in the middle. And so I saw this company on a Facebook ad, and I actually didn't know about them until I saw the ad. And I said, hey, those look pretty nice. So I went and checked them out. I looked at them, went ahead and just contacted them, which I rarely do, but I've actually, truth be told, I actually contacted 3 different belt companies, and one, there was no response. The other just said, we're not interested, and these guys said, yeah, sure, we're actually glad to do it. So, man, I'm glad I did too, because it's a nice belt. It's It's really comfortable. Nice and thick. Holds my gear. And let's roll. They also have they have 2 colors, black and brown, which, you know, I don't need a green belt or anything like that. And yeah, I've been just super happy with it. And I noticed too, I'm not like tucking up my belt all the time. It fits well. And I want to show you one thing real quick, so I gotta scan. Okay, so my gut's kind of in the way, but I noticed when we were emailing, they said, "Hey, do you want to get a?" I wear a 46, and they said, "Well, do you want to go up to a 48? Because sometimes the sizing can be, you know, a little small." And so I don't have a ton of play in the belt. But to be honest, I really don't mind. I don't mind because every time I do up my belt, every time I use the bathroom or get dressed, I always tell myself, man, I gotta lay off the biscuits. Get some of this gut down. And another car. Downside to shooting on the road. Anyway, I'm really happy with the company. All the links and the info will be down in the description box. Give them a check if you like. Been enjoying it. It's good stuff. They have EDC belts. They have gun holster belts. They have you know, all kinds of things I've already showed. I like them. Probably, I might actually get another one myself, just for a spare. 2 is 1, 1 is none and all. So we'll catch you in the next one, and thanks for watching, and have a good one.